So now I say, okay, well, don't let me move you. It hurts when she does ulnar deviation. All right, so be in this position, don't let me move you. So now I'm resisting ulnar deviation and wrist extension at the same time. She says it hurts, but it doesn't hurt as much. What's the more likely culprit?
Flexor.
Why is it wrist flexor? Why is it flexor carpi ulnaris the most likely culprit? Because there are two ulnar deviators, one that extends the wrist, one that flexes the wrist, right? And so if I resisted ulnar deviation with the wrist extension, it means that the one that flexes can't fire as much. That means that if it can't fire that much, that more than likely is the reason that she's having the pain. Similarly, if I was in this position and I said, don't let me move you, resisted wrist extension and deviation at the same time, and she's like, oh, that hurts even more. The most likely culprit then would be extensor carpi ulnaris. Does that make sense? All right. So now, what if I say, well, hold like that and don't let me move you? And she says, oh yeah, that hurts. Yep, that does hurt. Show me where it hurts. So you can show me where it hurts. Pick an area. Okay, so she's saying right here. So it's with contraction, and she's saying right here, what's the most likely culprit now based on the information you have?
Flexor.
So I got flexor carpi ulnaris and extensor carpi ulnaris. So if she's telling me this is where it hurts when we resist ulnar deviation, and she says it hurts here, which is the most likely culprit at this point based on the information we have?
Flexor carpi ulnaris.
Flexor, because the flexor carpi ulnaris comes on this side, right? So she would have told me over here. That's why I let her do it, right? So if she would have told me over here, somewhere on this side, then the more likely culprit would have been extensor carpi ulnaris. See how that works? It really isn't rocket science. So we just take pieces of information that they give it. It also helps too with if she says, okay, it hurts right here, don't let me move you. And she says it hurts right here, and they came in with the diagnosis of lateral epicondylitis. Does that match? No. No, it doesn't. See? Right? It's not, it really isn't rocket science. It happens. You get that. And it's like, well, are you sure? Like, nope, it hurts right there. That's not extensor carpi radialis tendonitis. It's nowhere even close, right? So what if she says, okay, it hurts here, and I resist this flexion. She says, oh yeah, it still hurts, and then I do this, and she says, oh, it feels actually kind of a little better.